Good, and I'm gonna start sharing my screen. I just want to do this quickly. Okay, so can you guys see my screen? Dr. Anna, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay,
Yeah.
100%. So we are gonna start with our class. A warm welcome to our second pain management class. Um, We're gonna fall right into the class. Welcome to everybody. Those of you I did not mention, I hope you enjoy the class. So let's get rolling. So hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining today's class on pain management with essential oils. Whether you're dealing with sore muscles, headaches, chronic inflammation, or just the everyday aches and pains that life brings, today you'll learn natural solutions using doTERRA's essential oils. Reminder, I myself, I'm not a medical professional. We do have a medical professional on board here in our class today. So I'm advising you to always please consult with your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your healthcare. Moving on to slide 2. So in this class, we will cover muscle and joint discomfort, headaches and tension, inflammation and chronic pain, as well as everyday aches and pains. But before we dive into today's pain management, I want to quickly share why I choose doTERRA Essential Oils. So doTERRA is known worldwide for their commitment to purity, potency, and safety. Every single bottle goes through rigorous testing to ensure that you get this 100% pure, natural, and free of contaminants or synthetic fillers. They use a standard called CPTG, which stands for Certified Peer Tested Grade. And what this means is each batch of oils is sourced from where the plants grow best in the world. Party testing for quality and potency and verified plants get verified to be free from pesticides, heavy metals, or adulterations. This level of purity ensures that the oils are safe to use aromatically, topically, and when labeled internally as well, and that doTERRA delivers real therapeutic results. When it comes to supporting our bodies naturally, quality matters, and doTERRA delivers on that promise every single time. You've likely joined this class because you or people you love are looking for relief from discomfort. Discomfort is all too common, especially as we age. It can make you feel like you can't live life to the fullest. You get tired when you're playing with your kids. Sometimes it's hard when you go out of town with your friends to really enjoy yourself. You can even feel limited during your favorite physical activities. Sometimes when you are standing next to the rugby field or the netball field, or even at the athletics, or even with tennis, supporting your kids, it can be strenuous on yourself. So, on top of it all, it can be difficult to find natural ways to resolve our discomfort. Many of the solutions you find on the market are synthetic, which can potentially make matters worse, but it doesn't have to be that way. Safer natural solutions are available that can help you manage your discomfort. This is where this class comes through for you. Each of the products that we are going to cover have been carefully selected by our doctors, our panel of doctors from doTERRA, our scientists, and our researchers who have decades of experience working with essential oils to provide natural relief to the body. It's time to stop, held back from activities and life you love. Say hello to the freedom that comes from conquering the limitations and difficulties of discomfort naturally. This class will provide you with info regarding products and solutions you need and support yourself. So as you can see on my screen, I don't know if any of you have ever felt a sore knee like that, if you had redness on your knee. Well, I have. So muscle and joint discomfort refers to pain, soreness, stiffness, or general unease in the muscles or joints. And unfortunately, it's something many of us deal with. Sometimes the discomfort can make you feel like you aren't living your life to the full. You get tired when you're playing with the kids. It's hard when you go out on the town with your friends, and occasionally you're limited during your favorite physical activity. When experiencing pain of any type, may feel that you would do anything to alleviate it. After a good workout or a long day spent at the computer, you might feel too tired to do much. You may experience discomfort performing routine tasks due to lingering tension in your muscles. When you do activities that your muscles and joints are unaccustomed to, it can result in discomfort, and you may wake up the next day feeling stiff. Your body will eventually adapt to this new strain over time, but at first it can be uncomfortable. Pain can be debilitating and cause added stress and anxiety to your day. It interrupts our concentration, our rest, and can make us irritable. It's a common issue that can range from mild and temporary to chronic and debilitating. Here's a breakdown of what it involves. Muscle discomfort. This usually includes aches or soreness, often from overuse, tension, or minor injuries, cramps or spasms, sudden involuntary muscle contractions, tightness or stiffness, can be due to poor posture, stress, or lack of movement. Common causes for muscle discomfort: over-exaggeration or exercise, stress and tension, poor posture or repetitive movements, minor injuries or pains. So joint discomfort, this typically involves pain or tenderness in the joint area, swelling or inflammation, stiffness or reduced range of motion, warmth or redness around the joint, as on the picture when it's inflamed. Common causes of this: arthritis like osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, injury like sprains or dislocations, overuse or repetitive motions, aging or wear and tear, and we all don't like aging. How they differ between muscle and joint discomfort. Muscle discomfort usually affects the soft tissue responsible for movement. Joint discomfort affects the areas where bones meet and move. Although there are many solutions to aid in the worst of your pain through your healthcare provider and over-the-counter products, most of the time these over-the-counter and prescription medications should only be used sparingly, as that they can take a toll on your internal organs and even create dependencies. Modern medicine is a wonderful thing, but should always be approached with knowledge and awareness of the uses. This is where doTERRA comes to your rescue. At doTERRA, we believe in safe and natural solutions that manage your discomfort. Essential oils can aid in the alleviation of pain through a variety of applications. Whether you suffer from a slight injury or more chronic condition, there are many uses you may want to consider. Essential oils are often very helpful to use either with or as standalone solution to pain relief for homemade solutions. On your screen, you will see a roller blend for muscle and joint discomfort. So in this roller blend, there is 5 drops of Deep Blue Soothing Blend, 3 drops marjoram, 3 drops lemongrass, topped up with a fractionated coconut oil in a 10 ml roller bottle. So tips for using this roller blend: apply after physical activity or before bed, massage into sore areas after a hot shower, use regularly for athletes or those with physical jobs. So let's cover these oils quickly. Let's take a deep dive into each of the oils. Our first oil that we will discuss is Deep Blue. Deep Blue Soothing Blend is one of doTERRA's most popular and effective essential oil blends designed to support muscle and joint pain relief. It combines a powerful mix of wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, helichrysum, blue tansy, German chamomile, and osmanthus, all working together to create a cooling and soothing effect on the body. It's widely used for relief for sore muscles, stiff joints, and inflammation. The combination of wintergreen and camphor offers immediate cooling relief for muscle pain, joint pain, and stiffness. It's your go-to for anyone experiencing sore muscles after exercise, physical labor, or strenuous activities. Helichrysum and blue tansy work together to reduce inflammation and promote tissue repair, making it a great option for those with chronic pain or swelling from conditions like arthritis or sciatica. German chamomile adds a calming effect, helping to reduce the emotional toll that chronic pain causes. Deep blue is especially helpful for people dealing with chronic pain, such as those with arthritis, back pain, or muscle spasms. The cooling sensation from peppermint and wintergreen offers instant relief, while the other oils work on deeper levels to address both inflammation and pain relief. Now, how to use deep blue for muscle and joint relief? We can use it topically. This is best for targeted pain. So we apply deep blue directly to our areas of discomfort, such as our muscles, our joints, or tender spots. It's great for targeting specific areas of pain. And I just want to advise you to not use deep blue on open wounds. You can use it around the areas, but not directly on open wounds. For muscle soreness, apply it either after exercise or physical labor to relieve tightness and prevent soreness. For joint pain, apply to your knees, elbows, or wrists for relief from conditions like arthritis or joint stiffness. For inflammation, it's commonly used to reduce swelling and discomfort from injuries, as the blend helps with inflammation. We can also use aromatically. Some people diffuse deep blue, though it's more commonly used for physical relief. It can have emotional benefits as well. The peppermint and wintergreen oils can help promote relaxation and ease tension. You can also inhale it directly for a quick cooling and refreshing boost. Moving on to our second oil on the screen, marjoram. Now, marjoram is often referred to as the herb of happiness or joy of the mountains. Marjoram is a natural analgesic, antispasmodic, and anti-inflammatory oil. These properties make it a must-have for anyone dealing with muscle tension, cramps, joint pain, or nerve discomfort. And I quickly want to give my testimony regarding marjoram, how I use it before I'm going to tell you what you can use it for. So last week in our class, I also told this. I have what you called a heel spur. It's a bony growth that forms on your heel bone. So I've got this on both of my heels. So I have for the last, I think, year and a half had this, and I was very concerned. I thought I might have cancer or something on my heels, and I went to the doctor just to check this out, and he explained to me what happens here. So the only thing, there's no medication that can help for this, for heel spurs. So luckily for doTERRA, I take marjoram and I rub it at the back of my heels, and I can tell you, it immediately relieves my pain. I don't have the stiffness when you stand up and that you can't walk. So this is really one of my oils that I use every single day. So how do I use marjoram for pain management? You can use it topically. Dilute 1 to 2 drops of fractionated coconut oil, and then you can massage it into your sore muscles, in your cramps, for leg, abdominal or menstrual cramps, neck and shoulder tension, and for arthritic joints. And a tip, you can combine marjoram with deep blue, frankincense, or lavender for a synergistic effect. So marjoram is an excellent oil because of the following properties. It's a muscle relaxant. It reduces nerve pain and spasms. It helps for joint support. It helps for emotional pain and tension. And aromatically, we can also diffuse or inhale from cupped hands to calm the nerve system. So when you will inhale with cupped hands, you will take your hands like this and take a deep breath a couple of times. I usually do this 5 or 6 times. So we can also use marjoram internally. I put 1 drop in a veggie cap, and then you can either dilute it with a carrier oil. So this is to support internal inflammation or muscle tension. Okay, our last oil on this slide is lemongrass. So lemongrass is a refreshing citrusy oil that is often used for its cleaning, energizing, and pain-relieving properties. In its essential oil form, it's widely recognized for its ability to support muscle relief, joint pain, and detoxification. Lemongrass is an anti-inflammatory oil, which makes it an excellent choice for managing a variety of pain-related issues. It assists in reducing muscle soreness and tension. It supports our joint health and mobility. It can be used in combination with other oils like marjoram and copaiba with enhanced results. It assists in improving circulation. It stimulates the circulation, helping reduce pain from poor blood flow or swelling. It's also a great antioxidant. How to use lemongrass? We will use it topically. Dilute 1 to 2 drops of fractionated coconut oil and massage directly into areas of muscle pain, joint discomfort or swelling. It's ideal for sore muscles, arthritic pain or joint stiffness, cramps or inflammation. A pro tip, combine lemongrass with deep blue or marjoram as you've seen on the screen for a soothing muscle rub. Aromatically diffuse lemongrass to promote mental clarity and focus, especially when pain is accompanied by fatigue or stress. Internally, 1 drop in water or in a veggie cap can support digestive health, detoxification, and help reduce synthetic inflammation. So on to our next slide. Liesel, are you here?
Hi, Nunu. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so Liesel is going to take us on to the next slide. Thanks, Liesel.
Thanks, Nunu. Welcome, everyone, and good evening. So when we talk about key areas when applying these essential oils for muscle and joint discomfort, we can apply these oils to our neck and upper shoulders because our neck and upper shoulders holds tension from stress and screen work. So how do I apply these oils? You can roll on these oils from the base of the skull, go down towards the tops of the shoulders in a sweeping stroke or a sweeping motion on our shoulder blades and upper back. This is because it's a common holding area for emotional and physical stress. You can use your thumbs or a massage tool and walk in small circles along either side of the spine. Just be careful of not putting too much pressure on the bone. Then we can move on to our lower back and our sacrum because our lower back and sacrum actually supports our entire core and bears our body weight, which is prone to tightness. So here we can apply pressure with our flat palms or fists in an upward walking motion from the hips up to our ribs. On our knees and our hips, because our hips and knees are major load-bearing joints, and they often become stiff from prolonged sitting or standing. Here we can gently massage the oils around the kneecap and then along the joint line. And then for your hips, you can circle it around the socket. Then we move on to our wrists and our hands. So repetitive motions, for example, typing, using your mouse on your computer, lifting, and things like that can lead to strain. Here you can roll across the palm of your hand and around each finger, and then wrap around and glide along the wrist. Then onto our ankles and feet. Ankles and feet because they support all movement and they are often tied after activity or when we spend, as ladies, the whole day in heels. Here you can apply the oils in sweeping motion from the ankle up towards the calf and then press down in between each toe to help release tension. Thanks, Dr. Hannah. Over to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Liesel. Headache and tensions. I think this is one area where most of us has experienced it. Headaches and tension can be caused by a variety of physical, emotional, and environmental factors. There are a number of things that trigger headaches and tension. It could be stress and anxiety, and that type of stress often leads to tight muscles, in the neck, in the shoulders, in the scalp. So when you start feeling that tension there, it could also be due to dehydration when you're not drinking enough water. It can reduce oxygen flow and trigger pain. Hormonal changes, fluctuations normally happen around menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause. It could also be due to poor posture, especially from sitting at a desk, or looking at screens. It could be due to eye strain from extended screen time or improper lighting. Lack of sleep also may cause a headache and tension. Environmental factors such as strong smells, bright lights, weather changes. Dietary triggers can also cause headaches like caffeine withdrawal, processed food, or skipping meals. So it's very important that we understand the root cause of the headache or tension because it helps us choose the right natural support. And that's where essential oils can be really helpful. Next slide there, Nunu. So on your screen, you are going to see a roller blend for headache and tension. So it's a blend. It's made up of 4 drops of peppermint for cooling and opening your airways, and then 4 drops of lavender. It's calming and relaxing. 2 drops of frankincense there on the right for neurological support, and then you top it off with fraction coconut oil. So you can then create a blend. So let's just cover these oils, quickly. On your left there is peppermint. Peppermint is a cooling and soothing remedy for pain. Most of you know drinking peppermint from tea, but what it is, it's actually one of the most versatile and widely used essential oils. It has a refreshing cooling effect and is highly effective for managing muscle pain, headaches, joint discomfort, and even digestive issues. So peppermint is a combination of menthol and menthol salicylate. It makes it a natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory. So it has got a wide number of benefits. It's one of the go-to oils for fast relief, thanks to its cooling properties, pain relieving, and muscle soothing properties. But most importantly, it assists with in relieving headaches and migraine. The cooling effect helps reduce tension headaches and migraines. You can apply it, on the temples, on the forehead, along the neck, and you can get quick relief. I have a team member, I think she's here today on the call, who was he had like chronic headaches, constantly on headache on medication for the headache. And since she started using the oils, the last 3 months, she told me that I am off medications. She kept on saying, I used to drink a lot of medications for the headache. Secondly, it assists in relieving muscle and joint pain. So the menthol in peppermint can create a cooling sensation that relieves sore muscles and joint discomfort. So it's also great for post soreness. Actually, it's also good for pre-workout because it warms the muscles, uh, you know, like that. So it's good for that chronic pain and even arthritis. It's also good for easing digestive discomfort. So you can just, apply it directly, on the tummy to relieve digestive pain. It's also good for relieving bloating and gas. So a drop or two in warm water can help with upset stomach and mucus. It's a very concentrated oil, so just a drop is actually enough. And then it also aids in reducing inflammation and swelling. So the menthol and peppermint provides a mild anti-inflammatory action. It helps reducing swelling and pain in tissues and joints. So how do we use it for pain relief? So you can use it in a number of ways. Topically, for first for muscle or joint pain, you can dilute 1 to 2 drops in a carrier oil like fraction coconut oil and apply to sore or tense areas. You can also for back pain, massage it along the spine. For headaches, apply it directly, on the temples, the forehead, and neck for tension relief. For sore muscle, you can just massage it onto affected areas. So one of the best ways of using it is combining it with lemongrass and marjoram for a powerful muscle relief blend. Even post exercise, maybe if you have walked for a long distance, you have been hiking, running, it also works very well as a post workout protocol when combined with those two oils. Aromatically, you can diffuse it to promote mental clarity and fresh air. It's also an uplifting oil, so it will also give you energy. It's great for clearing congestion, which can indirectly help with fatigue-related pain or discomfort. Internally, it's good for digestive relief or inflammation reduction. So 1 drop in water can help soothe digestive discomfort. You can also put it in a veggie cap. A drop of two can help do that. I think the best way we use this, especially when we are on the go, we call it pepperminting you, is to actually just put a drop, you know, on your hand. Take a small part, rub it at the roof of your mouth. That way you are taking it internally, and then take, a few, apply on your temples, and then you rub your hands together, inhale it, and then just apply it, on your back, on your neck to release that tension. And then the next oil there is lavender. This is what most, versatile oil. Most people, that's the oil that they know when they come to to doTERRA. It's good for pain management because it's an anti-inflammatory uh, and an anti-spasmodic oil that is perfect for both physical pain relief and emotional healing. So, what can we use it for? It's very good in reducing muscle and joint pain. Because of its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, it makes it ideal for relieving muscle tension, joint discomfort, and aches. It's great for people with chronic pain or post-workout soreness. It also assists in alleviating headaches and migraines. So it has been shown to reduce tension around the head. It can also promote calm and ease the pressure associated with these types of pain. It's also good for soothing nerve pain. Nerve pain is on the rise at the moment. So it's excellent for conditions like sciatica, uh, fibromyalgia, or nerve-related pain. So its gentle anti-inflammatory and calming properties can help alleviate different types of nerve discomfort. Lastly, it's also good for emotional support, for stress-related pain. It helps calm the nervous system, help with pain that is stress-related or muscle tension caused by anxiety. So that's how good you can use that for pain. And then how do we use lavender for pain relief? We can use it topically. Most effective when you use it for localized pain, like applying it directly where you are feeling the pain. Lavender is a neat oil. It means you can use it undiluted, but you can dilute 1 to 2 drops of lavender with fractionated coconut oil and massage directly into the areas of pain, tension, or inflammation. It's also good for sore muscles or joints. You can apply it to the back, shoulders, or knees to relieve the pain. For headaches, like I mentioned, apply it on the temples, forehead, and the back of the neck. For nerve pain, uh, use on areas like the lower back or legs for sciatica or fibromyalgia pain. So you can also blend lavender. You can mix it with peppermint uh, for a cooling effect or with frankincense for enhanced cellular repair. Aromatically, we can diffuse it to create a calming atmosphere and promote emotional well-being. It's also great for reducing stress and relieving tension that might also contribute to chronic pain. Internally, this one is actually optional for stress-related pain. You can take 1 drop of lavender to a glass of water or in a veggie capsule to support relaxation and help reduce stress-related discomfort. So lavender is mild and generally safe for internal use in small amounts. Next on the right there is frankincense, the king of oils. It's also good for pain relief. So one of the key uses of frankincense is that it impacts our health at a cellular level, but it's also good for alleviating pain. Why is it good for alleviating pain? Because it is an anti-inflammatory uh, benefits, and it also has immune boosting properties. It has been used for centuries, to promote cellular health, reduce stress, and alleviate pain. What makes it a great oil for pain management? I mentioned that it's anti-inflammatory. It's also good for supporting chronic pain, inflammation, or injury recovery. So maybe you're wondering, how can we use it? We can use it to assist in reducing inflammation and pain. It has been shown to reduce inflammation at the cellular level, making it a very good option for chronic pain conditions like arthritis or joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help muscle pain, tendonitis, and other inflammatory tissues. It's also good to support cellular repair. It has ability to regenerate cells. It's like a restorative, oil. It's not just treating the symptoms. It's also going to address the root cause and regenerate cells. It's good to support healing after an injury or surgery. It's ideal for post-operative recovery or recovery from muscle and joint injuries. It's also a good oil for alleviating nerve pain. Because of its calming effect on the nervous system, it can be helpful for conditions like sciatica nerve pain and other related nerve pains. It also helps reduce nervous tension and promote relaxation, which in turn can relieve pain related to stress or anxiety. Lastly, it's also good for emotional pain relief because it is grounding and balancing at the same time. So this helps to reduce the emotional toll of chronic pain or stress-related pain. We can use frankincense for pain relief in 3 ways. Uh, Topically, this is actually the most effective for targeted relief. So here, this is where we actually dilute. It's also a neat oil. It means you can use it as it is, but we recommend you dilute 1 to 2 drops with coconut oil and apply directly to areas of pain or inflammation. For chronic joint pain, apply directly to the knees, hips, or back, wherever the pain is. Post-surgical recovery, massage it gently over the affected area. For nerve pain, apply it to the lower back, neck, or legs, even along the spine. Frankincense can also be combined with copaiba, marjoram, or helichrysum for enhanced pain relief and healing. Aromatically, we diffuse it to promote calm, reduce stress, and create an uplifting environment. It's also great for calming the nervous system, especially when pain is tied to emotional stress or anxiety. Internally, it's good for inflammation. Can put 1 drop of frankincense in a veggie capsule to support systematic inflammation and promote overall well-being. It's one of those oils that you can even just put a drop under your tongue. So in water, you can add a drop of 2 in a glass of water to help with immune support and reducing internal inflammation. So there are key areas to target when applying essential oils or roller blends, unlike just massaging the entire body. So for easing headaches and tension, we recommend that you use it along the temples. The temples, that's where you feel the headache there, because it will relieve tension in the major blood vessels and muscles at the sides of the head. How do you use it? If it's in a roller bottle, you gently roll or just drag in small circles, moving from just above, your cheekbone up towards the hairline. You can also apply it on the forehead. That is the yin tongue, the third eye point. So applied there, it calms the mind, soothes mental fatigue, and supports emotional balance. You can just put a drop there and then use your finger to trace a U shape, between your eyebrows and slightly towards the hairline. You can also use it at the back of the skull. There is that deep area there. It helps release tight neck muscles that often contribute to tension headaches. You can also massage it from the top of your neck up to the hairline, using your thumbs there. So and also at the back of the neck and the shoulders, because that is where most of the stress is trapped in. So it eases stress holding muscles and improves circulation to the head. Also use it around the jawline and around the ears. We don't put essential oils in the ears, eyes, or the nose, but you can apply it around those organs to relieve tension from clenching or TMG related discomfort. And then sinus points, just put it under the nose and the cheekbone. It helps to ease sinus related pressure and tension. wrist and solar plexus. So on the wrist day, it provides quick on-the-go relief and calming systematic effect when inhaled. So you can just roll a small amount to the inside of both of your wrist, rub them together and in deeply and inhale to take it internally. So it's very, very important, like I mentioned, that you use the targeted application points because that is where the body will take up the oils, very, very quickly. So can move the slide.
Thank you, Dr. Hannah. So on your screen, who is familiar with inflammation and chronic pain? I'm sure most of us are. So major causes of pain and inflammation can be attributed to acute injury like sprains, strains, fractures, bruises, or surgical trauma that triggers localized inflammation responses as the body works to heal damaged tissues. Repetitive strain and overuse like tendinitis, bursitis, carpal tunnel syndrome, micro tears, and chronic friction provoke inflammation in muscle, tendons, and joints. Arthritis and degenerative joint disease like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune attack on joint linings, both lead to chronic joint inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Autoimmune conditions like lupus, fibromyalgia, which our immune system mistakenly targets healthy tissues, causing widespread inflammation and pain. Metabolic vascular issues like gout, which causes poor circulation, or varicose veins leading to tissue hypoxia or inflammatory signaling. Infections like bacterial, viral, or fungal pathogens in tissue or joints. Dietary factors, high sugar, refined carbohydrates, processed foods. Can you believe that this can cause inflammation? Obesity and excess weight also increases mechanical load on our joints, which lead to inflammation and chronic pain. Chronic stress and poor sleeps. It elevates our cortisol and pro-inflammatory markers. Environmental toxins and allergens like pollution, mold, chemical irritants can also trigger immune activation and low-grade inflammation. So on your screen, you will see a roller blend that we have put together for pain and inflammation. It consists of 4 drops of turmeric, 3 drops frankincense, 3 drops copaiba, and 2 drops of black pepper. You can top this up with fractionated coconut oil in a 10 ml roller bottle. So a tip here is consistent use is key. Apply morning and night. Combine with internal use of copaiba soft gels, which we will cover later, and then layer with deep blue rub for added relief. So let's dive a little deeper into these oils. Turmeric essential oil, known as the golden solution for pain relief. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a golden yellow root traditionally used in cooking and in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving properties. Turmeric essential oil from the root of the Curcuma longa is highly concentrated and is known for its ability to support joint health, reduce muscle pain, and promote overall wellness. I never knew all of the amazing benefits that turmeric has. I only used it in food until I was introduced to doTERRA's turmeric oil. So turmeric is most celebrated for its anti-inflammatory effects, making it an ideal essential oil for people suffering from chronic pain, joint issues, or muscle inflammation. Turmeric assists in reducing inflammation and chronic pain. It contains the compound curcumin, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It helps reduce swelling and stiffness in joints, muscles, and tissues, especially useful for people with conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia. And I don't know if you know about the condition called a ganglion cyst. Well, ganglion cyst is a non-cancerous lump on your tendons or your joints of your wrists and your hands. So my husband had a ganglion cyst. and he has suffered immense pain until we started using turmeric. So just a note, it helps a lot with that. So turmeric supports joint health. Regular use of turmeric essential oil can help promote flexibility and reduce pain and discomfort in the joints. It's great for joint inflammation due to overuse, age, or injury. It assists in relieving muscle pain. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for soothing sore muscles, especially after a workout or physical strain. It can also help reduce muscle spasms and cramps. It's a great antioxidant and detox. As a potent antioxidant, turmeric helps fight oxidative stress that contributes to pain and inflammation in the body. It supports the body in detoxifying and reducing the root causes of inflammatory conditions. So how do we use turmeric? We use it topically for targeted pain relief. We dilute 1 to 2 drops of turmeric essential oil with coconut oil and apply directly to our areas of discomfort. For joint pain, we can massage it onto our knees, our hips, or other affected areas for inflammation and pain relief. For muscle soreness, we apply to our sore muscles after physical exertion or for recovery. For back pain or stiffness, we apply to our lower back or any specific muscle groups to reduce inflammation and discomfort. Aromatically, we diffuse turmeric to purify the air and promote overall wellness. The warm, earthy scent can also have a grounding and calming effect, which may help with stress-induced pain or discomfort. And then internally, 1 drop in a veggie capsule can support systemic inflammation, joint health, and overall wellness. In warm water, you can add a drop or 2 of turmeric essential oil to support digestive health and detoxification. And as I said last week, there's a lot of people who uses turmeric in their tea. It's not very pleasant to drink. It's not a taste that I like, but the health benefits are a lot. So as you can see here. Second oil up for discussion is copaiba. Now, copaiba is one of my most precious oils. I love this oil. We use this oil daily in our household for a lot of things. As I told you last week, we have a Labrador who's got hip problems, and Eva loves her copaiba. Whenever I take out my bottle of copaiba, she comes and she runs and she wags her tail, waiting for her copaiba. She just loves the oil. So copaiba essential oil is derived from the resin of the copaiba tree, which is native to the Amazon rainforest. Copaiba has gained recognition for its high concentration of beta-caryophyllene, a natural compound that supports inflammation, reduction, pain relief, and cellular health. It's often referred to as one of the most potent oils for managing pain and inflammation, and this oil works amazing with Deep Blue. Benefits of copaiba with pain management. So copaiba works in harmony with the body's natural processes to provide profound anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, making it ideal for those dealing with chronic pain, muscle soreness, and joint inflammation. Its powerful anti-inflammatory action helps reduce inflammation in muscles, joints, and tissues, making it the go-to oil for pain relief. It's particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from arthritis, fibromyalgia, and inflammatory conditions. Copaiba helps to reduce swelling, pain, and stiffness in the joints, making it great for joint pain, muscle discomfort, and conditions like I've just mentioned. It's also an amazing oil to relieve nerve pain. Copaiba is a favorite oil for nerve pain such as sciatica, as mentioned, carpal tunnel syndrome, or nerve compression. By reducing inflammation and calming the nervous system, it promotes long-lasting relief for nerve-related discomfort. It's also a great oil for emotional wellness beyond our physical pain. Just want to, can somebody just mute there, please? So how do you use copaiba for pain relief? Topically, we dilute it 1 to 2 drops of the cacao oil and apply to the area of discomfort. For joint pain, we massage Copaiba over the knees, shoulders, or other joints. For back or muscle pain, we apply Copaiba to areas of muscle soreness, tension, or injury. For nerve pain, we use it on the lower back, neck, or legs for sciatica or other nerve discomfort. Aromatically, we can diffuse Copaiba to reduce stress and emotional wellness. It can calm both muscle tension and nervous tension, offering holistic support for both physical and emotional pain. Internally, 1 drop in a veggie cap or in water can support the body in reducing systematic inflammation and promoting overall wellness. What I do is I take 1 drop of Copaiba and drop it underneath my tongue, and it's not a bad taste. Copaiba works synergistically with other essential oils to enhance their effects, especially for chronic pain or inflammation. So while we are discussing Copaiba essential oil, let me quickly introduce you to our Copaiba soft gels. It's a natural support for pain and inflammation. I don't have the picture here, but I am sure if you go onto our site, you will see the picture. So doTERRA has harnessed its powerful benefits in an easy-to-take Copaiba soft gel, making it a convenient daily supplement for managing discomfort and inflammation naturally. Key benefits for Copaiba soft gels: it supports the body's natural inflammatory responses. It helps soothe and reduce systematic and localized inflammation. It promotes comfort and relief, supports our nervous system, and it may enhance the body's endocannabinoid system. Copaiba interacts with our CB2 receptors in the ECS, offering benefits similar to CBD, but without physioactive effects. So each soft gel, our soft gels comes in a bottle of 60 vegetarian soft gels. They are designed for daily use to maintain a healthy inflammatory and immune response. So you will take 1 soft gel as needed, up to 3 times a day with food. It's ideal for ongoing joint or muscle discomfort, occasional headaches or inflammation, for recovery after physical activity, overall health, and cellular support. So pair Copaiba soft gel with Deep Blue polyphenol complex for a powerful natural pain management. And unfortunately, doTERRA is out of stock with the Deep Blue polyphenol complex tablets at the moment, but that's also a great product to use for pain. So we have already discussed frankincense. So let's move on to black pepper. Black pepper is not a common oil that a lot of people use, but black pepper is an oil that has got a lot of benefits. So black pepper essential oil is derived from the dried fruit of the pepper plant, known for its warming, stimulating, and penetrating properties. Black pepper is a powerful oil for muscle discomfort, joint pain, and inflammatory conditions. It's also widely known, used to enhance circulation, promote detoxification, and relieve both acute and chronic pain. So benefits of black pepper for pain management. Black pepper is most noted for its ability to enhance blood flow, ease muscle tension, and reduce inflammation, which make it highly effective for a variety of pain-related concerns. It assists in relieving muscle soreness and tension. It has a warming effect that can help increase circulation to areas of muscle soreness, easing stiffness and discomfort. It supports joint health and flexibility. It's, as I said, a great oil for reducing swelling and inflammation. It improves circulation. It reduces inflammation. Black pepper is also effective at reducing systematic inflammation, which can be a root cause of chronic pain and discomfort. So how do we use black pepper? We use it topically, where we dilute it 1 to 2 drops of the carrier oil and apply directly to areas of discomfort. For our muscle soreness, we will massage onto our sore muscles, especially after physical activity. For joint pain, we will apply it to our knees, elbows, or shoulders to help reduce swelling and improve flexibility. For stiffness, we will use it to relieve or general body stiffness or post-injury. A pro tip: combine black pepper with frankincense, marjoram, or ginger for a more potent muscle and joint relief blend. We will also use it aromatically. When we diffuse black pepper, it promotes a sense of warmth and stimulation. It's especially useful during times of physical or emotional fatigue. It helps invigorate the mind and reduce mental tension, which can indirectly support pain relief when pain is stress related. Internally, we will take 1 drop in a veggie cup or in warm water to promote circulation and support systematic detoxification. Black pepper's digestive properties may also help support gut health if pain is related to digestive issues, bloating, or discomfort. And another thing of black pepper, it is a very good oil to use if you want to lose some weight. So, key areas to target for easing pain and inflammation. When we apply our oils, when applying your inflammation and chronic pain roller blend, we focus on these commonly affected areas for our knees and our knee crease, because our knees is a major load-bearing joint, joints prone to cartilage wear and fluid build-up. So we would roll in small circles around the kneecap, then sweep up and down over the joint creases. For our lower back and sacroiliac joints, our back carries most of our body's weight. So our joints often stiffen from sitting or improper lifting. So how we will use this oil is we will glide from the top of the pelvis upward toward the ribs, then press along each side of the spine at our waist level. For our hips and our hips flexors, our hips contribute to low back stress and pelvic imbalance. We would apply the oil around the front of the hip crease, then circle around the bony hip socket on both sides. On our shoulders and our rotator cuffs, overhead activities and stress lead to inflammation in the deltoid and rotator cuff tendons. So we would roll from the top of the arm onto the shoulder socket, then along the back of the shoulder blade. For our wrists and our hands, because of repetitive motions like typing and lifting, inflammation can come to our tendons and our joints. So we would sweep across the palm and then wrap around the wrist in a spiral motion. For our ankles and our feet supports all movement. So inflammation here can affect our posture. We would roll firmly around the bony ankles and then glide underneath the arch of the foot. On our elbows and our elbow area, for instance, like tennis and a golfer's elbow, our overuse of our forearm muscles inflames tendons at the elbow. So we would apply our oil around the bone area and then move inside like this. On our sternum, because our sternum is a central gateway for systematic absorption and calming of inflammatory processes, we would roll a small amount over the center of the chest and inhale deeply to support the whole body relief. So I'm handing over now to Liesel.
Thanks, Ninu. So here you will see we have a couple of extra or other products that we can usually use for pain and pain management, which is the doTERRA Deep Blue Rub as well as the stick. And that's for fast cooling relief of pain. So the rub and the stick, both the Deep Blue Rub and the Deep Blue Stick, are designed to offer soothing relief from muscle aches, joint discomfort, and general pain. They both contain a proprietary blend of essential oils, plant extracts, and menthol, which work synergistically to relieve pain and inflammation. They can help promote circulation and they can even help ease muscle tension. The Deep Blue Rub is a cream-based formula designed for easy application. It's ideal for those who prefer a more traditional creamy consistency for massaging directly into the skin. It does include menthol, which gives a cooling effect, as well as wintergreen, which provides a soothing, warming sensation after application. The Deep Blue Stick is a solid stick formula that's portable and it's perfect for on-the-go use. So this provides a mess-free and convenient option for applying the essential oils directly to the skin without needing a carrier oil. And this is great for application to targeted areas, especially when you're on the go during travel or at work. So the benefits of these two, both of these products share many of the same benefits, offering a fast-acting cooling and soothing experience, but they can actually help with assisting the muscle and joint pain relief. The Wintergreen and Comfort and the Deep Blue products have analgesic properties, which can help to reduce pain and inflammation. It's perfect for sore muscles, back pain, joint stiffness, and general discomfort after physical activities or long periods of sitting down. It's great for post-workout recovery. Both of these products are a great choice for athletes or anyone engaging in physical activity, as they can help reduce soreness, help prevent stiffness, and they can speed up recovery time. So after exercising, you can apply these to your muscles, your knees, your lower backs, anywhere to ease discomfort and promote flexibility. And it also assists in relieving inflammation. Helichrysum and Blue Tansy, which are in the both formulas, can help to reduce inflammation as well as swelling in tissues, and that makes them perfect for conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, or overexerted muscles. It can also assist in improving circulation. The peppermint and wintergreen can help to improve blood flow, which is key for healing injuries, stiff muscles, or chronic pain conditions. How you can use these two. So the rub, you can topically apply it anywhere directly to the affected area, massage it in using circular motions, and you can allow the formula to penetrate the skin and you'll feel the pain relief quite soon. Post-exercise, apply to any of the sore muscles or joints after a workout. Joint support, any of your stiff joints, knees, hips, elbows, or hands can help for pain relief. And then for chronic pain, you need to be able to use it regularly on the areas of chronic discomfort for lower back, neck pain, sciatica, and then that can just help to maintain a pain-free range of motion. The stick is perfect for on-the-go relief. You can simply just roll it onto the affected area, and it's great for a quick application, and it doesn't require messy hands. It's ideal for places like knees, lower back, neck, or shoulders. It's travel friendly and it fits in your gym bag, your handbag, it's in the car, it's readily available for quick relief. And it's great for small areas. You can apply it to your temples, wrists, or ankles, typically where you wouldn't want to be using the cream-based formula. So with these two, and for the month until the end of the May, Wintergreen is a very good companion or very complementary to this product. So wintergreen essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the Gualtheria procumbens plant, which is native to North America. The oil is rich in methyl salicylate, and that's a compound that gives wintergreen its distinct cooling and pain relieving properties. Which can make it a natural alternative to topical analgesics. Wintergreen is often used for muscle and joint pain, and then has a similar effect to aspirin, but obviously just more in a natural and holistic form. The benefits of wintergreen, it can assist in relieving pain in muscles and joints. The methyl salicylate in the wintergreen is a potent anti-inflammatory, and it can help reduce pain and swelling in muscles and joints. Perfect for those experiencing sore muscles, arthritis, joint stiffness from physical or chronic conditions. It can also help support post-workout recovery. It's perfect. Its cooling effect is great for the post-exercise recovery, and it can reduce muscle tension. It soothes inflammation. The oil has a powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it great for reducing swelling and discomfort associated with inflammation in tissues, muscles, and joints. And it's a natural analgesic. Wintergreen can act as a natural pain reliever due to its analgesic properties, which works similar to Alice aspirin, but there's just no synthetic ingredients. How you can use wintergreen specifically for pain relief. Topically is best for targeted pain relief. You can dilute 1 to 2 drops of wintergreen with a carrier oil, typically fractionated coconut oil, and apply it directly to the area of comfort or discomfort, sorry. Joint pain, apply to areas like knees, elbows, shoulders, muscle stiffness, or anything for swelling. Back pain, massage your lower, especially after sitting or standing for long periods of time. A pro tip, you can actually combine the wintergreen with peppermint, marjoram, and or frankincense for a muscle relief blend. Then aromatically, you can diffuse wintergreen to create a calming and invigorating atmosphere, especially during moments of physical fatigue or mental exhaustion. And then internally, this is optional for systemic support. Wintergreen should not be used internally in large quantities without the guidance of a healthcare provider because of its potent active compound methyl salicylates. So if you do wish to use the wintergreen internally, please just ensure it's properly diluted and then do consult with a healthcare professional. And with all of the other oils, always remember that needs to be CPT2 oils when considering these for internal use. Okay, Dr. Hannah, over back to you.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay. So there are quite a number of oils. So here I have past tense. Past tense is a very powerful oil. Okay, let me see. All right, so past tense is a good oil for managing pain, especially tension, in the head and wherever pain is. It's actually a combination of a number of oils. It's a blend. And then on the right, okay, just hold on there for me. I think my battery's gonna go. Let me just connect it. And just connect that.
Dr. Anna, you want me to do the slide quickly?
Yes, I think just do it while I fix this.
Okay, 100%. So on your screen, you will see two amazing oils. The first one is past tense. So past tense is a pre-diluted roll-on blend created by doTERRA, specifically designed to provide fast relief from headaches, muscle tension, and stress. It combines a blend of essential oils like peppermint, lavender, frankincense, coriander, marjoram, and basil, which works synergistically to help alleviate physical discomfort, emotional tension, and mental fatigue. So benefits of past tense for tension and headache relief is known for its cooling, soothing, and calming effects. It's a favorite among people who struggles with stress, headaches, and muscle tension. It assists in relieving headaches and migraines. Many people have found that past tense works wonders for tension, headaches, and migraines. The blend of peppermint and lavender provides a cooling sensation and helps to ease the discomfort caused by these types of headaches. Applying it to the temples, neck, and forehead is often enough to reduce the intensity of headache in just minutes. And I can really testify to this. I had a major headache this afternoon and I simply put past tense on it, and within like 10 minutes, my headache was gone. It assists in relieving muscle tension. The basil and marjoram in the blend helps to soothe muscle tightness, especially in the neck, shoulders, and upper back. People use it throughout the day, especially after long hours of sitting or working at a desk, as a way to relax tense muscles and promote a sense of calm. It's a calming, it helps calm emotional stress. So the lavender and frankincense in the blend are known to calm the mind and help reduce emotional stress. Many people apply past tense during moments of anxiety or mental fatigue and find a sense of peace. It is used during busy work days, stressful meetings, or before bed to wind down and reduce feelings of pressure and tension. It's convenient and easy to use. The roll-on applicator makes it easy to apply directly to the temples, neck, shoulder, and sinus areas. It is a great option for anyone who needs quick relief especially when on the go or at work. The pre-diluted formula means there's no need to mix or measure. Just roll it on and enjoy the benefits. So how do we use past tense? Topically, simply roll the blend directly onto our temples, forehead, and neck and to relieve headaches and tensions. For headaches, apply to the temples and forehead when you feel a headache coming on or where you're already experiencing tension. The peppermint and lavender works to cool and calm the pain. For muscle tension, apply to tense areas such as your shoulders, necks, or back, especially if you're dealing with tightness from stress or long hours at the computer. For stress relief, use it as needed to calm emotional stress and bring a sense of relaxation. Aromatically, we will roll it onto our hands and inhale. You can even put it on a diffuser bracelet. At night, apply it before bed as a favorite routine for those who struggle with stress-related insomnia. Onto our next oil, Aroma Touch. Aroma Touch is a soothing touch for relaxation and pain relief. Aroma Touch is a pre-diluted essential oil blend from doTERRA, specifically designed to provide relaxation, emotional support, and muscle relief. The blend contains essential oils like lavender, peppermint, basil, marjoram, cypress, and frankincense, which works together to ease tension, improve circulation, and provide relief from both physical and emotional stress. So the benefits of Aroma Touch, it's a go-to blend for people seeking relief from muscle soreness, stress, and emotional tension. It is especially helpful for muscle relaxation, pain management, and promoting a sense of calm. It assists in soothing muscle tension. The blend of basil, marjoram, and peppermint help to reduce muscle tightness and relieve tension in the shoulder, neck, and back. It's a oil for calmness and emotional stress with lavender and frankincense. Aroma Touch is widely used to calm emotions, reduce anxiety, and create a peaceful atmosphere. It improves circulation. It assists inflammation and pain relief. The frankincense and basil works together to reduce inflammation and ease chronic pain, making it ideal for people suffering from conditions like arthritis, sciatica, or muscle strain. How do we use Aroma Touch? Topically, roll the aroma. You can put the blend directly onto areas of tension or discomfort. Many users apply it to their neck, shoulders, lower back, and legs to relieve soreness or stiffness. For muscle pain, we will apply it to our sore or tight muscles. For emotional support, we will put it onto our wrist, our temples, or behind our ears when we're feeling stressed or anxious. And for circulation, we will apply it directly to our feet or our legs to promote circulation and soothe discomfort. Aromatically, we will diffuse it. The lavender and cypress helps to use tension and stress, while the peppermint adds an invigorating touch. So many people inhale it directly from their hands for immediate relief. So Dr. Hannah, are you ready for the next slide?
Yes, I can go ahead with the next slide.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We continue with some of the more powerful oils for pain management. We'll start with DDR Prime. DDR Prime actually stands for damaged DNA repair. So that's what that oil does. DDR Prime is a first proprietary blend of essential oils. It's designed to support cellular health, repair, and regeneration. It contains powerful oils known for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and cellular protective properties. So it has key oils like frankincense, uh, which is good for supporting healthy inflammatory response and cell regeneration. Clove, high in antioxidant and very good for combating oxidative stress. Thyme, which is a very good immune boosting and oil for cellular detoxification. It also has summer savory, known for antibacterial and immune supporting properties. Nauli, a gentle relative of tea tree, is good for skin and cellular support, just like your, your tea tree. Wild orange, known for uplifting and its antioxidant properties. Lemongrass, we talked about it earlier, it's a natural pain reliever. Melissa, very good for calming the nervous system and also reducing oxidative stress. So you can see it's packed with powerhouse essential oils. And let's look at the benefits of DDR Prime for pain management. While it's not normally marketed, mainly as a pain relief product, its cellular supporting and inflammation modulating properties makes this oil a very powerful supportive tool in holistic pain management. It assists in reducing chronic inflammation because many types of pain, especially joint or muscle pain, stems from inflammation. So DDR Prime supports the body's ability to regulate this response at a cellular level. It also supports cellular repair. With pain due to injury, cellular repair is very critical. So oils like frankincense and clove help accelerate this process. It also assists in antioxidant protection because chronic pain can be made worsened by oxidative stress. So the blend's antioxidants help reduce this burden in the body. DDR Prime is also good for nervous system support. With a combination of melissa and lemongrass, they support in calming and helping reduce pain perception. We can use DDR Prime for support in three ways. Internally, we can take it internally. It actually exists in soft as well. The soft gel is currently not in our market, but you can put 1 to 2 drops in a capsule and take it internally with meals. You can also add it into water or juice so that you can take it internally. So it's only recommended for those comfortable with internal use of oil. So there is a disclaimer there. And then topically, you can dilute it with a carrier oil like frankincense and apply over areas of pain, joints, lower back muscles. And it's also very good applied along the spine. So you can apply it, along the spine. You can also combine it with other oils. It combines well with deep blue, rub, or copaiba for enhanced localized relief. You can also diffuse DDR Prime for overall cellular support and mental clarity, especially if pain is contributing to stress or emotional fatigue. And then on the right, you have helichrysum, which is also known as a liquid gold, for pain and healing. It's also often called the everlasting flower. This is a rare and precious essential oil known for its powerful anti-inflammatory, cell regenerative, and analgesic, which is like pain relieving properties. It's often referred to as liquid stitches because of how quickly it supports the skin and tissues in healing. This is one of the oils that I've seen in action. I think if you look at frankincense, DDR Prime, helichrysum, I've seen helichrysum in action. I fell, in the escalator last year in May. I got injured, deep cuts, and I used my natural solution toolkit to just heal those wounds. And helichrysum is one of the oils that I used to support that healing, and it didn't really linger for a very long time because of that. So helichrysum is actually the go-to oil for anyone dealing with acute or chronic pain, especially from injury, inflammation, or nerve damage. This is a very good combination of oils, DDR Prime, helichrysum, and frankincense. For people who are maybe, who have experienced a stroke, it can be a very, very good combination to bring back the muscle function and bring healing. So how does it help? On its own, it's a powerful natural painkiller because it contains diketones and sesquiterpenes that help reduce inflammation and interrupt pain signals. It also supports tissue and nerve repair. Remember, I said it's good for people who've experienced, stroke. It's excellent for bruising, sprains, and strains. It also helps regenerate nerves and may assist with nerve-related pain, like sciatica. It's also good for reducing bruising and swelling. So one of the fastest acting oils for addressing bruises. It also supports healthy circulation and lymph flow. It's an oil that's also good for speeding recovery after injury or a surgery. So it's often used post-operatively to minimize pain and promote healing. It's one of the oils that's good for post-cesarean operation, when someone is giving birth with operation. So combined with frankincense, it actually helps the operation heal very quickly. So how to use helichrysum for pain support? Can use it topically. That's the most effective way. Dilute it with 1 to 2 drops directly to the area of pain or injury. It's ideal for joint pain, muscle soreness, bruising, uh, post-surgical areas, nerve discomfort, for example, the neck, the spine, or sciatic pain. You can also combine it with deep blue, copper or frankincense for enhanced effect. It can also be used internally. Uh, Here, there's a precaution only if it's directed by a healthcare provider, but you can use it in a veggie capsule with a carrier oil for systemic inflammation or nerve pain. Aromatically, it's not commonly diffused, but you can inhale from your hands or use in a roller blend to experience emotional and nervous system benefits because it also have calming and grounding properties. So these are very, very powerful uh, oils that you can also use to relieve pain. So over to you, Nunu.
Thank you, Dr. Anna. That was very informative. Just to give a testimony about helichrysum as well. Yesterday, I worked with a very sharp knife and I cut my finger and I really cut it deep and it was blood all over. So before doing anything, I went to my oils and I grabbed my helichrysum and I put a drop of helichrysum on there and within seconds, my bleeding stopped. And today I took my plaster off and it's not sore even. I will post a picture on the group of how my finger looked and what it looks like today. So definitely a oil to invest in. So on your screen, you will see there's a couple of blends that I put there together for everyday aches and pains. So a tip for everyday aches and pains, we will apply our oils to our affected area and soles of our feet. Add oils to Epsom salt in your bath for a full body support. Use your oils daily as preventative for lifestyle-related discomfort. So bonus tip and lifestyle support. Hydration and nutrition play a role in reducing inflammation. Add a drop of lemon or grapefruit to your water daily to help with water intake. Consider using LLV, our Lifelong Vitality Pack, for cellular support and pain management within. And create a daily routine like a morning support and evening relief. So I'm just going to quickly go with the blends that I put on the screen. You will see there is a Calm Muscles. It's a DIY roller bottle recipe. In a 10 ml bottle, you will put Aroma Touch, copaiba, frankincense, lemongrass, wintergreen, and top it up with fractionated coconut oil. This is really an amazing blend for muscles. For back pain, we will do a layering technique. You will see the oils as they are shown in order. 1 to 2 drops of each oil in order. Then we will start with deep blue, then with marjoram, then thyme, and then basil, and then we will reapply these oils every 4 to 5 hours. And this is really an amazing blend. I give this blend to a lot of my customers who is suffering from back pain. And the feedback is really amazing. So on the right, you will see our morphine blend. It is marjoram, frankincense, and lemongrass. I will share the recipes on our VIP groups as well. I'm not going to go into deep into each blend here, and there's also a painful joint roller. So then I want to thank you for joining our class tonight. You've learned a lot about the incredible potential of doTERRA's natural products that can aid in pain management. How do you feel? I hope you feel empowered and excited. You don't have to be held back by discomfort. Mother Nature has provided beautiful, powerful tools to support us in this journey called life, and it's time to start putting them to work for you. So you've got things to do and experiences and places to be and see, and you've got people to support and love. So I want to encourage you to take back your life, kick discomfort and pain in the butt, and do so with less bodily discomfort and more enjoyment. Thank you very, very much.